What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got one news story for you, so let's dive right in, and it's a biggie. So we're talking about the Google Pixel Fold, a mysterious phones of sort. It was due to come out a year ago, and then it was due to come up potentially this year, and now we're hearing next year, potentially as early as March or April of 2023. And we're hearing a little bit more information about this Google Pixel Fold, which will be a competitor to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I could not be more excited because I love the Pixel phones, and if you give it to me in a folding format, because I love folding phones, this could pull me away from this phone. But without further ado, let's talk about the information that has been leaked out recently. So the people over at 91 Mobiles have put out an article. I'll list it down below, and they talk about a bunch of stuff on there. 120 hertz refresh rate, 1200 nits of brightness. But our friend Da-Hoon Kim put out a tweet that kind of breaks it all down in a smaller format. Basically, the Fold will feature displays made by Samsung, not a big surprise, on the inside and the outside, both made by Samsung. And the internal display supports a resolution of 1840 by 2208. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 resolution on the bigger inside display is 2176 by 1812. So they're pretty close with each other for the most part. Also, the dimensions of the Pixel Fold are going to be 123 millimeters by 148 millimeters. And just to give you some context there, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 dimensions are 155 by 130. So when you think about this, the Pixel Fold will be shorter and wider when these phones do come out. And then to finish up with the tweet, Da-Hoon Kim also says the display brightness can also go up to 1200 nits, averaging about 800 nits. So what does that mean for everything that we are hearing about, again, the Pixel Fold? One, like I mentioned, well, let's talk about the nits, the brightness. You're probably looking potentially at something, I guess, as bright as a Z Fold 4, maybe not, but somewhere in the ballpark at least. I would guess it's probably gonna be somewhere between the higher than the Z Fold 3 got, but maybe not as bright as the Z Fold 4, maybe just as bright with the nits overall, which is fine with me. It's just pretty bright. It's obviously not the brightest display I've ever seen, but it's bright enough, and I'm pretty happy with that. Resolution, again, it's basically a 2K resolution display, but again, it's going to be, the display itself, the inside display, is going to be shorter and fatter. If you think about it, shorter, it's not as tall as this, and fatter. And what that means with that is that it's probably gonna be easier to get your notifications and pull things down from the top if you need to. And then I'm kind of interested in seeing, I'm very interested to see how Pixel Fold handles their day-to-day software and UI versus how Samsung does it, because Samsung puts their own little twist on it and changes things ever so slightly, not in a bad way, don't get me wrong, but I'm just curious how Google is going to do things. How are they going to handle multitasking, and how are they going to make it different than Samsung? Is it going to be easier? Is it going to be more complicated? Are they going to add some special features that Samsung phones do or don't have? That's what I'm really curious about. And looking at March again, March, April should be the release and launch of this phone. Let me know your thoughts on the Pixel Fold. What do you think is going to happen with the phone? I know some of you are going to be like, it's not going to come out. It's not coming out. Besides not coming out, if it comes out, what are your ideas on some of the specs and things about the phone? Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.